My name is Eric, and I am a project superintendent here at JMAR. I worked for insurance companies for 3 or 4 years. After that, I signed on with JMAR. I wanted to do more work for the homeowner and not more for the insurance companies. David is one of the best bosses I've actually ever had. You can tell he cares about what he's talking about. He has so much knowledge to offer in this industry. He's honestly one of the best people I've worked for in any kind of job aspect, really. My normal day-to-day process, if we have a roof going on that day, I'm there bright and early, usually around the same time as the crew, making sure setup is going good, making sure we have tarps laid down to protect the homeowner's property. I go and check materials, make sure we have enough, and really I make sure the guys are putting on the roof correctly and we're not cutting any kind of corners, because that's the important part. We want to make sure we get the little stuff right, and we want to make sure that no corners are cut when we do this work. I mean, we have great crews, but always having a watchful eye can go a long way. I do a little bit of sales on the side. It's not my main thing, but it is something that I'm growing into. It's a great experience overall. Usually what I like to do for fun, I like to play a lot of disc golf. I like to play a lot of sports, just golf, anything really in general. I also like to just hang out in my free time with my friends, my new dog, my puppy. He's taken up a lot of my life right now, so really in my free time I'm training him, me and my girlfriend as well, just going through life and enjoying it. So, my name's Eric Harrison. I'm a project superintendent here at JMAR, and I'll see you on the next job.